Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure Python and Vscode are already installed, then open your project folder. Once done, install and enable the official Python extension. It provides language features and a chosen interpreter. Next, open the command palette and select the interpreter you want, because that determines which Python the terminal uses. Create or open a Py file to activate workspace settings. This step ties the editor, extension, and terminal together, so the rest runs predictably. Now open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ and immediately verify which Python is active by running which Python or where Python, so you know what Vscode will execute. If you use a virtual environment, create it with Python mvenv. Venv and activate the environment. This isolates dependencies and prevents conflicts. Make sure the terminal shell is configured for your OS in settings if commands behave oddly. Once configured, restart Vscode to ensure the interpreter and terminal settings. To execute code, right-click Run Python file in terminal or type Python file name. Py, because that runs in the integrated terminal you just configured. For deeper inspection, set breakpoints in the gutter and press F5 to launch the debugger. Choose the appropriate configuration for your script. If things go wrong, check that the selected interpreter matches your virtual environment, ensure the venv is activated, and inspect path entries. If the terminal still misbehaves, reload the window to clear state and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.